In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix unable to join Minecraft multiplayer worlds. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile hotspot to rule out network issues. Next, restart your game and device, since multiplayer connections often fail when the session gets stuck or unstable. Next, make sure you and your friends are using the same game version. Even a small version difference can block multiplayer access. Also check if you are signed in properly with your Microsoft account, because multiplayer features require an active login. If you are playing on console or mobile, go to your privacy or multiplayer settings and ensure that multiplayer access is enabled. Sometimes the problem is caused by server issues on Minecraft side, so it's worth checking the official status page to confirm if multiplayer services are working. You should also disable any VPN, since it can interfere with server connections. Updating the game to the latest version from your app store or launcher can fix bugs that prevent joining worlds. If nothing works, try clearing cache files, restarting a router, or reinstalling the game to reset corrupted data. In most cases, the issue is temporary and resolves once a connection or account sync is refreshed. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.